Silat for Beginners, an online platform for learning and certification of Malay Silat for the global market. Introduction. In 2006, the dream to teach Silat Melayu online began. Before YouTube tutorials or Zoom coaching existed, Silat for Beginners introduced the first web-based Silat learning system, created by Dr. Nizam Shafiq. What started as an experiment to connect students beyond Malaysia has now evolved into a comprehensive digital learning platform supported by University Technologi MARA, UITM, and PASMAL. Accessible through silatforbeginners.online, the 2025 version transforms traditional Silat instruction into an interactive virtual academy for global learners, combining heritage, education, and technology in one innovative ecosystem. It serves as a digital bridge, connecting the ancient warrior traditions of the Malay world with modern learning tools, while preserving respect, discipline, and the spiritual essence of Silat. Problem statement. For centuries, Silat Melayu has been passed down through face-to-face instruction in the gelanggang. For learners outside Malaysia, however, access to authentic training was nearly impossible. During the pandemic, many instructors struggled to sustain classes because no digital platform offered structured, credible Silat education. As Silat gained recognition from UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage of humanity, global interest surged. Yet no certified system existed to teach and evaluate Silat online. Silat for Beginners was created to fill that gap, blending expert human mentorship with digital technology so that anyone, anywhere, can study authentic Silat Melayu safely and effectively. Its mission is simple: to preserve the Bunga Silat, the living soul of Malay martial culture, through accessible, high-quality online education. Design and features. Silat for Beginners offers a complete digital ecosystem combining web-based learning and guided evaluation by certified experts. Learners register online and access structured modules featuring high-definition instructional videos, digital manuals, and interactive quizzes aligned with the Seni Silat Malaysia curriculum. Each course introduces the 7 fundamental movements of Bunga Silat: Serung, Tunjang, Terus, Undur, Ereng, Silang, and Samping, uniting artistic expression and biomechanical understanding. Participants upload practice videos to a secure portal where PASMAL and UITM certified coaches assess performance using a standardized digital rubric. Personalized feedback ensures that technique, rhythm, and cultural etiquette are correctly understood and practiced. Upon completion, learners receive a digital certificate endorsed by UITM and PASMAL, making Silat education both authentic and globally accessible. Innovation and uniqueness. Silat for Beginners is the first certified virtual Silat academy designed around expert evaluation rather than artificial intelligence. Unlike generic online courses, it integrates structured pedagogy, cultural authenticity, and real mentorship from certified instructors. This approach ensures that every learner is guided by human expertise that respects both tradition and safety. Building upon the award-winning virtual Silat web coaching service, 2015, the 2025 platform introduces multilingual interfaces, progress tracking, and international certification, turning Silat into a recognized global learning system. Its true innovation lies in the balance between technology and tradition, proving that modernization can enhance, not replace, the art of Silat. Commercialization potential. Developed under UITM and PASMAL, Silat for Beginners is a sustainable cultural enterprise that merges education with entrepreneurship. Revenue streams include course subscriptions, instructor licensing, and certification fees. Partnerships with Silat schools, universities, and tourism agencies strengthen the platform's commercial and cultural reach. With growing demand from Indonesia, Philippines, Brazil, and USA through IMAX and UNESCO ICM collaborations, the platform is poised for global franchising. It promotes Malaysia's creative economy while turning traditional heritage into a modern, exportable product that supports national branding and global recognition. Publications, patents, and recognition. The Silat for Beginners innovation is supported by decades of UITM-led research and over 30 international publications on Silat Olahraga and Silat Tempur. Its early prototype earned 2 National Gold Awards in 2015 for innovation in digital learning. Today, the upgraded system continues that legacy, representing Malaysia as a leader in technology-based cultural education. Through ongoing collaborations with global networks like IMAX and UNESCO ICM, this innovation stands as proof that tradition and technology can grow together. Silat for beginners, from tradition to transformation, from Malaysia to the world.